Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
Start by recording your raw score and section scores as percentages. Write down the test date and total time used. Next, identify 3 priority areas: content gaps, recurring mistakes, and timing issues. For each incorrect question, note whether the error was knowledge, careless, or time pressure. Use a simple spreadsheet to log question number, topic, error type, and time spent. Allocate 30 to 60 minutes for a detailed review after each mock test. This routine builds a reliable baseline for future comparisons. Categorize every mistake as knowledge, careless, or timing related. Review the associated lesson or chapter for each knowledge error immediately. Track how many errors come from the same topic and mark the highest frequency topics. For careless mistakes, examine distracting habits and the specific step you skipped. Calculate time lost per question to detect 10 to 30 second bottlenecks that cost you points. Summarize findings by topic and error type so you can target your practice with precision. Set one measurable goal, such as improving your overall score by 5 to 10 percentage points. Design a weekly routine with 3 focused study sessions and 2 timed mock tests. Use concentrated drills centered on your weakest topics and incorporate spaced repetition daily. Add 30-minute review blocks after each practice session to reinforce corrections. Schedule 1 full-timed mock each weekend to measure progress and adjust your routine. Track trends over 4 weeks and revise targets when you reach consistent gains.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.